Cruising solo can be one of the most rewarding travel experiences, but it comes with unique challenges that many travelers overlook. I've met countless people who dreamed of their perfect voyage alone, the freedom, the relaxation, the sense of independence, only to realize later that small oversights can turn a dream trip into a stressful experience. In today's video, we're uncovering the 25 most common mistakes solo cruisers make and how you can avoid them. Whether this is your very first time sailing solo or you've been on the water for years, these insights can help you travel smarter, safer, and with complete confidence. Number 1. Booking too late. One of the biggest mistakes solo cruisers make is waiting too long to book. Solo cabins and affordable single fares are limited. The best deals often appear 6 to 12 months in advance. By the time many travelers start planning, solo rooms are gone, and you're left paying double for a standard cabin. My tip: if you even think you might want to take a cruise, set alerts for your preferred lines early. Booking ahead gives you better pricing, better room selection, and more peace of mind. Number 2. Ignoring the single supplement. Many first-time solo travelers are shocked to learn that most cabins are priced for 2 people. Cruise lines often charge what's called a single supplement, an extra fee that can double your fare. Ignoring this can lead to sticker shock later on. Solution: look for cruise lines that reduce or waive this charge, like Norwegian, Cunard, Viking, or Virgin Voyages. And don't hesitate to ask a travel advisor to find ongoing promotions for solo travelers. It can make a huge difference. Number 3. Choosing the wrong cruise line. Every cruise line has its own personality. Some feel like floating resorts, others like luxury hotels at sea. Picking the wrong one for your style can make the trip feel isolating or overwhelming. If you prefer quiet refinement and cultural enrichment, lines like Viking or Azamara might suit you better. If you love nightlife, dancing, and high energy, Royal Caribbean or Virgin Voyages could be a better fit. The key: match the cruise line's energy to your own expectations. Number 4. Sailing during peak family seasons. If your goal is serenity, avoid cruising during school holidays or spring break. Peak family seasons bring crowded pools, noisy hallways, and larger groups. For solo travelers, this can make it harder to relax or meet other adults. Instead, aim for shoulder seasons, like fall or late winter, when ships are quieter and fares are often lower. Number 5. Picking the wrong cabin type. A small mistake with cabin choice can shape your entire experience. Interior rooms are the most affordable, but for a solo traveler, they can feel confined. If your budget allows, book an ocean view or balcony cabin. It gives you natural light, a sense of space, and a private spot to unwind, especially valuable when traveling alone. Remember, this isn't just a room, it's your personal retreat at sea. Number 6. Forgetting about cabin location. Even seasoned cruisers overlook this. A cabin near busy elevators or entertainment decks might keep you up late with noise. Likewise, a room at the very front or back of the ship can feel more motion in rough seas. When you're traveling solo, comfort matters even more. Tip: midship on a lower deck usually offers the smoothest and quietest ride. Number 7. Avoiding the Maître d'. Many solo travelers feel anxious about dining alone, and they miss out on help that's available. On day 1, introduce yourself to the Maître d' in the main dining room. They can seat you with friendly groups, other solo travelers, or even at a set table for the whole voyage. If your first table isn't the right fit, speak up. You'd be surprised how easily things can be adjusted. Number 8. Eating only in the buffet. Buffets are easy, but you might miss the best part of cruise dining: the atmosphere and conversation. Specialty restaurants or shared tables in the main dining room often create moments of connection, especially for solo guests. Plus, many specialty venues have bar seating where solo travelers naturally fit in. Number 9. Skipping social events. It's tempting to keep to yourself on day 1, but that's when most friendships form. Almost every cruise has solo meetups, cocktail hours, or welcome mixers, often listed in the daily schedule. Show up, even if you only stay for a few minutes. It's one of the easiest ways to meet other independent travelers. Number 10. Not trying group activities. One of the fastest ways to feel at home on a ship is to join in. Trivia games, dance classes, workshops, or wine tastings. These activities aren't just entertainment, they're icebreakers. You never know who you'll meet when you step outside your comfort zone for a little fun. Number 11. Forgetting to budget for extras. Many new cruisers underestimate onboard expenses. Drinks, excursions, Wi-Fi, and tips can all add up. When you're traveling solo, there's no one to split the bill with. Always factor these costs in before booking or look for all-inclusive packages that make budgeting simpler. Number 12. Overpacking. It's easy to bring too much just in case, especially when traveling alone. But cruise cabins, even the nicest ones, have limited storage. Pack smart. Choose versatile clothing and comfortable shoes. Most ships have laundry service or self-serve options, so you don't need to bring your entire wardrobe. Number 13. Skipping travel insurance. When you're traveling solo, travel insurance isn't optional, it's essential. You don't have a companion to help if you fall ill or miss a flight connection. Always have coverage that includes medical care, evacuation, and trip cancellation. It's peace of mind you'll be grateful for if anything goes wrong. Number 14. Overdrinking or leaving drinks unattended. This one's serious. Cruise ships are generally very safe, but drinking alone can make you vulnerable. Know your limits and never accept a drink you didn't see poured yourself. Enjoy responsibly. Your safety always comes first. Number 15. Oversharing online. Tagging your location in real time on social media can unintentionally compromise your safety. When you're traveling solo, it's best to post photos after you've left a port, not while you're still there. A little privacy goes a long way in protecting yourself and your belongings. Number 16. Not setting boundaries. When you're traveling solo, you'll likely meet friendly people, which is great. But sometimes others may become a little too friendly. Be polite, but firm about your space and schedule. If you prefer dining or relaxing alone, it's perfectly okay to say, "I'm having some solo time right now, but it was great chatting." Remember, solo cruising is about freedom. You decide when to socialize and when to unwind. Number 17. Failing to communicate with crew. Solo travelers sometimes hesitate to ask for help, but cruise staff are incredibly accommodating when they know your needs. If you'd like a table for one near a window, help carrying something heavy, or assistance with directions, just ask. They're trained to make your voyage comfortable. A little communication can turn a good cruise into a great one. Number 18. Not letting family or friends know your itinerary. One of the biggest safety oversights is failing to share your travel plans back home. Always give a trusted friend or relative a copy of your itinerary, including ports and ship contact details. Even though cruise ships are safe, this small step ensures someone knows where you are, just in case. Number 19. Missing port orientation talks. Port talks or destination briefings often happen on the ship before arrival. Skipping them might seem harmless, but they're packed with valuable details, local customs, safety info, and scams to avoid. Even if you plan your own excursions, attend these sessions. They can help you explore more confidently and save money. Number 20. Wandering alone in unfamiliar ports. It's easy to get caught up in adventure, but not every port area is ideal for solo wandering. Stick to busy, tourist-friendly zones or official excursions. If you go off on your own, research in advance, keep valuables hidden, and trust your instincts. Solo cruising is about independence, not unnecessary risk. Number 21. Not joining a roll call or online group. Many cruises have online communities through forums, social media, or the cruise line's app. Joining before you sail can help you connect with others, share tips, or even plan excursions together. It's a great way to feel familiar faces on board before you've even stepped on the ship. Number 22. Being shy about photos. Don't skip capturing your memories just because you're traveling solo. Ask a crew member or fellow passenger to take your photo. Most people are happy to help. Or use your phone's timer or tripod for scenic shots. You'll be thankful later that you documented those sunsets, dinners, and deck moments. Number 23, not taking advantage of spa or relaxation areas. Many solo cruisers hesitate to book spa treatments or spend time in the thermal suite, thinking it's a couples-only zone. In reality, these spaces can be the most peaceful part of the ship. Massages, saunas, and quiet areas are perfect for solo travelers who want to unwind without crowds. Treat yourself. You deserve it. Number 24, forgetting to network with crew and locals. Crew members are some of the most well-traveled people you'll ever meet. Chatting with them can lead to insider tips about hidden local spots, dining recommendations, and the best times to explore. You never know what stories you'll hear, or what friendships you'll form, simply by being curious and kind. Number 25, thinking solo means lonely. And finally, the biggest mistake of all. Many people fear that cruising solo will feel isolating. But the truth is, the sea has a way of connecting people. You'll share sunsets with strangers who become friends, laugh at trivia nights, and find comfort in your own rhythm. Being alone doesn't mean being lonely. It means being free to experience the voyage exactly how you want. So there you have it, the 25 solo cruise mistakes you can't afford to make. Sailing alone can be one of the most empowering adventures of your life, as long as you plan smart, stay safe, and embrace the journey on your own terms. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe to Cruise Aura for more deep-dive cruising guides, travel tips, and real stories from life at sea. Until next time, I'm Daniel Shore, and this is Cruise Aura. See you on the next voyage.